In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install BEAMN.drive on any Windows PC or laptop. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Steam. Click on the official Steam website from the search results. Once you're on the Steam homepage, click the Install Steam button. Then click the blue Install Steam button again to download the installer. After the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Steam on your computer. When Steam is installed, launch it and sign into your account. If you don't have one yet, create a free Steam account. Next, use the search bar at top of Steam and type beamng.drive. Select the game from the search results to open its store page. On the games page, you can check the current price and see if it's on sale. If you're ready to buy it, click Add to Cart. Then select View My Cart and click Continue to Payment. Enter your payment details, review your order, and accept the Steam Terms of Service. Complete the purchase and the game will be added to your Steam library. To install the game, open your library, select beamng.drive and click Install. Once the download is finished, click Play to start enjoying the game. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.